I think Tractor Supply stopped selling them bells. On eBay, they're high. Wish I'd have bought a pile of them. I should have bought a pile of them when they was three for $5. Then they changed it to 1 for $5. Cause people were buying them. That's Shorty. Who was that? I think that was Smokey. That what got me on my neck, man. That's Shorty. They running them good though. Shoot. If you out here working on a tractor, man, them bugs will eat you up. You ain't got no cab or no fan. You know them fans on the canopy, they keep the bugs away from you. But if you ain't had that, when I cut out there around my house, before I got that tractor, bugs like to ate me up out there. And see, it just rained. See, in the afternoon, they bad. Early in the morning, they bad. And then, see, it rained last night. Good. Pile of rain. Dog, they were running them good when I was down here. I couldn't stay because them bugs were eating me up. That's Lucky. Oh, Lucky. Lucky got the check. The rabbit should bus across the road. They coming straight up here. I hear Hank in there. It might go behind the truck. They're going behind the truck. They going behind the truck. Doggone it. That's Hank. Oh, Hank. You heard Hank, Doug? Oh, little young puppy got that check. He going up there where I was parked there earlier. He might be that came across. I want to get a picture of this rabbit, man. Might be already crossed. He already crossed. Here old Hank in there getting down. Lucky. Smokey. That rabbit went back. He done went back. dog, they say he went back. Bobo said he went back. Somebody breathing funny. One of that dog that got that cough. If it is, I'm gonna get him out of there. Got a little bump back there on my neck. Yellow fly tore me up. Good running rabbit there. Red. Going to the fault. Might already cross. Come on, man. Chuck. Might already cross up here. Come on, yellow fly. That rabbit got to jump on him. Seems like thick in there though. Who gonna get this check? He might be around the edge of these bushes right here, waiting to bust out. Hope he busts out so I can get a good picture of him. I ain't see him. I ain't get down there quick enough when he crossed. Them bugs were wearing me out, man. I had to go back to the truck. They jumped that rabbit behind me. I mean, not behind me, right over here. Well, they think they jumped him over here, and then he went over there, and they finally figured it out. back down here. I'm about to cut it off till they get it back right. Hope he ain't got any hole in there. I don't like them in that bottom down there. There's a lot of wet, man. Snakes and stuff down in that bottom, maybe. Snakes everywhere, but that bottom sometimes have moccasins in it. I think positive though. Should be fine. Most of the time they gonna run from 'em. I'm gonna cut it off because they done like lost it or something happened. They running it too good, too strong, just to shut off like that. Cut it off.